Okay, Daddy, this is Daddy wanting to get the trap. You have to be careful when you set rat traps that you don't catch a bird. I use black sunflower seeds, and we got a bird. So Daddy wants that. Let's see if I can keep you tied down. Let the birdie out. Come on, birdie. There we go. Babe. There we go. No more rats. Yeah, I thought I had it far enough underneath the wood, but apparently the bird got trapped in it this morning looking for its breakfast. Daddy, it's all gone. Yeah, I tried to stick the one end underneath something so that no birds get in. It's happened before. Alrighty.